All right, guys, you get a chance for another extension of your knowledge in this piece. This is for an EE extension, mostly in expressions, because that's the only E we've really worked on yet. So you had an honors extension about the number system. That's where you guys used any type of operation in the number system with rational numbers to help me figure out where to hang my pictures. And today you are going to work on an extension for expressions. You get a chance to try your hand at modeling a little bit more complex situations with mathematical expressions. So we're going to do this toy trains task. I'm going to help you get started on it, and then you guys are going to finish it. You can either print this paper from the attachment, you can get this paper from your teacher if you are at school in person, or if you can't do either of those options, that's okay. You can just write it down on your own piece of paper, but just format it nice and clearly, because when you're done with this, you're going to submit a picture to me of all of your work that you've gone through, and I will tell you in the comments how you did, okay? So let's take a look at this. I'm going to read some of it to you and help you get started. All right, here is the deal with the toy trains task. Belinda's toy shop sells toy trains. Let's look at the sizes they outline here. A size 1 set is just an engine. It shows a little picture here. A size 2 set has an engine plus 1 carriage. A size 3 has an engine and 2 carriages, and so on. So it clarifies a little bit here because you can't see it all in the picture. So one thing they want you to understand is that the engine has 8 wheels. So a size 1 actually has 8 wheels. So the part I'm going to help you with, because we really want to make sure we launch off on this on the right foot with this correct information here. We are going to fill in this table that shows the number of wheels on each size of the train set. So it tells me right here the engine has 8 wheels. So I only see 4 here, but that's because the other 4 are on the other side, right? So this size 1 actually has 8 wheels. And a carriage actually has 6 wheels. So even though I only see 3, there's 3 on each side. So a size 2 would have 8 wheels here plus 6 wheels here. So a size 2 actually has 14 wheels. A size 3 would have 8 wheels plus 6 wheels plus 6 more wheels. Okay, so 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 6 more is 20. You guys just take a second right now, and I'm just going to sit here and wait for you. Take a second and see if you can figure out how many wheels would be. I don't have a picture for size 4 or size 5. But could you still figure out how many wheels? Take a minute and write those down. And I can't wait to see when you upload a picture if you got those numbers right. So I'm just going to let you write what you got there, and I'll take a look when you upload your picture here. So now that we've gotten some concrete information about the first 5 sizes, now let me just clarify, does that mean there's only 5 sizes? No, there could be way more than that. I just found the number of wheels for sizes 1 through 5. Now there's some questions you're going to answer. I'm going to read them to you, and then you are going to give these a try and write everything down and then upload a picture of your work for me to look at. Number 2 says, the biggest train in the shop is a size 12. Oh, okay, they're telling me we go up to a size 12. How many wheels does this train have? That part's important, but this is the most important part. How do you know? When you upload a picture of this work, it doesn't really count as an honors extension if all you do is write a number. Because the whole point, the much more important part to me, is how in the world did you get to that number? I want to see whatever thinking you did. It could be a picture, it could be a visual representation, it could be with numbers, with words, but I need to see very detailed information on how in the world you're coming up with that number. So that's number 2. You're going to figure out for me how many wheels a size 12 has, and you are going to show me how you know. How did you get there? That's why I gave you all this space. Question number 3, Mick Says he has a train set with 42 wheels. He's like, yeah, I got one of those train sets. It has 42 wheels. Can that be right? And again, the most important thing is, how do you know? I want to see how you know. Okay, and that is leading us to question number 4, which is where the expressions part comes in. The factory where the trains are made needs a rule for the number of wheels in any size set so that it can easily create any train size. So that we don't max out at 12, we could figure out anything. Write a rule. I'm going to give you a little hint here. When they say write a rule, they're really asking you for an expression like we've been working on in math class. Write a rule, an expression for the number of wheels in a size N train set. They're even giving you the variable here. They're defining the unknown. The unknown is the size because we want it to work for anything. I'm very excited to see what you guys come up with. Do whatever makes sense to you. Answer these 4 questions, and then you're going to take a picture of your work and upload it into Canvas so I can look at it and comment on it.